Let's talk about recording yourself. You know, it's not about vanity, it's about unlocking your potential. Imagine this, you're performing a move and giving it your all, but what if I told you that what you feel and what you see might not be in perfect sync? That's where recording comes in. It's a powerful tool to bridge the gap between intention and execution. Set up your smartphone, hit record, and then when you play it back, it's like you're watching a teammate. One who's there to point out what's working and what needs tweaking. This is important because if you're only measuring reps and sets to track your progress, then it's going to be really hard to notice improvement. This is why recording yourself is super important in calisthenics, so you can notice how your body positions and quality change over time. If it looks better, that's progress. If it feels better, that's also progress. So to sum it all up, record, review, refine, and reflect. These are the pillars that will turn your journey into an adventure of growth, and trust me, you'll be amazed at the results. Alright, those are all the videos I have for this course. I want to extend a big, heartfelt thank you for joining me in this program. It's been an incredible journey for me to put this together, and I sincerely hope you've enjoyed every step of it just as much as I have. I do truly appreciate you placing your trust in me as your coach. If you found this course valuable and transformative, I'd love to share a couple of different ways you can support me further. Firstly, let me know what you thought of the program, what you liked, what you thought could be better. This is just one module in a much larger course, and so I want to continue updating this to make it better and better. Secondly, share the program on your social media. When you share the program with your friends, more people are exposed to my work and potentially signing up for my services, ensuring that there's always free resources for everyone. Now, if you're looking to take your training up a notch and want personalized attention, my one-on-one coaching might just be the thing for you. I'll analyze your progress, provide form review for your videos to fine-tune your technique, and even create a personalized program to you. I'll leave info below so you can check that out. I'd love to hear about your progress and your thoughts on the course, so please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you again. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep showing up. I can't wait to see you achieve the handstand push-up. Take care.